Hey guys, welcome to episode 3. Now that we have gone through the foundations of trading, we are going to jump right into the charts. So the absolute most important skill a trader must learn in order to become a profitable trader is being able to identify dynamic support and resistance zones. So what is support and resistance? These are areas where price has reacted to in the past and somewhere where price can potentially react to again in the future. So if you look on the chart, this top line is resistance, which is a level above price, where price has reacted to in the past. As you can see, the 3 rejections where price changes directions from. Support, on the other hand, is the same concept, except it is a level below current price, where price has reacted to in the past. So you're probably wondering, why is support and resistance important? It's actually really simple. If price has reacted to these areas in the past, it could potentially react to them again in the future, meaning that trade opportunities arise at these areas moving forward, as a multitude of traders have their eyes on these areas. So what happens when price breaks above resistance? When price breaks above resistance, that resistance now becomes support, as it is now below price. As you can see from these 2 rejections, this is resistance. Price then breaks through, that resistance now becomes support, and price retests this new support before continuing the uptrend. Now, what happens when price breaks below support? When price breaks below support, that support now becomes resistance, as it is now above price. As you can see from this rejection, this is support. Price then breaks through this, making the support turn into resistance. Price then pulls back to this new resistance, retests it, and continues its downtrend. So here is another example with everyone's favorite, Bitcoin. As you can see, price is making lower highs and it is in a clear downtrend. So you want to trade with the trend instead of against it. Now, jumping down a time frame. We notice that this is a very clear area of support. As you can see, the 6 rejections of this area before finally breaking through because of the heavy selling pressure. As we previously showed you, after price breaks support, that support now becomes resistance. And we almost have a picture perfect trade here. Price pulls back, rejects this new resistance before continuing the downtrend, which would have been an A+ short trade. So now that we've covered what support and resistance is, you're probably wondering, what is dynamic support and resistance? Dynamic support and resistance, or what we call true support and resistance, is areas where price has a very high probability of reversing from, due to specific qualities we look for. If you look at a chart, you can probably draw in a vast amount of support and resistance points, many of which are not valid, which results in fake outs or false entries. We will be revealing to you the criteria we use to identify these areas in the following episodes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.